my name is Claire Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. So I'm going to show you how to use another one of my favorite styling tools, which is tweezers. These ones are my bigger pair. I also have a smaller pair, and I use these for garnishing things that are really delicate. For example, like these edible flowers. If I'm moving things around, it's just better to not use my fingers because I don't want to crush the petals. And it's just like an easy way to be really light with your styling.